Hi guys, welcome back to Country Cooking with Carly and Queen Kitty Gaming for episode number 6. In today's episode, I'm going to be making a delicious 3-ingredient oatmeal, chocolate chip, and banana cookie for you guys. Now this recipe is perfect if you're like me and chocolate is your weakness, but you're looking for a good healthy alternative. Then this is the perfect recipe for you. If you love chocolate chip cookies, granola bars, banana bread, then this is the perfect recipe for you. Or if you're just a busy working mom or dad or anybody who wants to make a simple, delicious, quick, easy recipe, this is also for you. And please stay tuned to the end because I will be taste testing some of this for you guys. Again, this will be the first time I ever make this, just like every other recipe I've done for you guys. So I'm so excited to make it for you. I hope you enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I will catch you guys later. So for your quick banana oatmeal breakfast cookies, first you want 2 well-ripened bananas. And either chop these up or just break them into little pieces before mashing. Now you're just going to mash these bananas up with the back of your fork. You can use well-ripened bananas or just normal bananas, but if you use the well-ripened bananas, it's going to be a little bit sweeter. The browner the banana is, the sweeter it is. So this is the same technique that I used for the banana bread. You're just mashing up these bananas until they're pureed. So now I'm going to add 1.5 cups of the quick oats. You can mix this with half quick oats and half rolled oats. However, I hear with the quick oats, that's going to absorb the banana better and that will make it a little more moist. And if you use the rolled oats, that will just make it a little more chewy. So it is all up to you. So now you're going to add 1/3 to 1/2 cup of your semi-sweet chocolate morsels. And do this to taste. If you want it more chocolatey, use 1/2 cup. A little less chocolatey, use 1/3 cup. I love chocolate, it's my weakness, so I'm definitely going to be adding 1/2 cup here. So now you're going to add 1/3 to 1/2 cup of your semi-sweet chocolate morsels. Chocolate's definitely my weakness. I like things a little more chocolatey, so I'm definitely going to add 1/2 cup of heaping chocolate morsels. But again, do this to taste. If you want it a little less chocolatey, just use 1/3 cup. And then you're just gonna mix this all together. Make sure the oats are all coated with the banana. It's not a very wet mixture. It is fairly dry, but I think it's going to be delicious. So just continue mixing until all those oats are completely saturated with the banana. Now this is totally optional, but if you like things a little bit sweeter, you can always add honey. I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon here. And then I'm also gonna add just a few sprinkles of cinnamon. Again, these are all to just enhance the flavor and totally optional. Do this to your liking. And just to give it that extra kick, I'm also gonna add 1/2 tablespoon of vanilla. Again, this is totally optional, but I know I'll like mine a little bit sweeter. And then you just mix that in. Now guys, as you can see, the consistency turned out great. And now it is time to mold your cookies. And now what you want to do is get a rimmed cooking sheet, and you can either spray this with cooking spray or line it with wax paper. And then you just want to get a heaping tablespoon, roll that up into a ball, and then flatten it out. Now you really kind of want to take your time a little bit forming these cookies. They're not going to do a lot of spreading like regular chocolate chip cookies would, so they're pretty much going to come out the same way they go in. So make sure you form them exactly how you want them. So this recipe is going to get you anywhere from 14 to 16 cookies. It all depends on how big you want each cookie. I really love the idea of these cookies. My whole life I have loved granola bars. I used to just eat the oats and honey granola bars, and then I started eating chocolate chip and honey granola bars, and they were delicious. And I think this is going to taste even better with the banana. And if you love chocolate chip cookies but want to watch your weight and your carb intake, this is a great, delicious, and healthy alternative. So now guys, once you have them all ready to go and molded nicely onto your cookie sheet at the size you want, you're just going to pop them in the oven at 350 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. So as you can see guys, it looks like these cookies turned out delicious. They pretty much came out the same shape they went in, and that's why you take the time to mold them very nicely first. And they have a nice golden brown color to them. So now you just want to let these cool down completely before you remove them from the cookie sheet. And then what you can do is seal them in an airtight container, and they can be kept in the fridge for up to a week. As you can see guys, these cookies look like they turned out delicious. They just have a slight golden brown color on top, which is perfect. It looks like they formed delicious. Let's just break one of these delicious looking cookies in half. Oh, that looks so good guys. Perfection. And this is completely optional guys, just like the honey I added to it and the vanilla and with a little bit of cinnamon. You can really doctor these cookies to how you would like them, but I'm just sprinkling a little bit of brown sugar on top. For my daughter who loves things pretty sweet, I think she'll like them a lot better with just a little bit of brown sugar on top. And you can always pop these back into the oven for a few minutes too if you want that to cook in a little bit. And this is just totally something I came up with because I think it'll make it taste delicious. But again, you can really doctor these how you'd like. If you don't want to add the honey, cinnamon, vanilla, a little bit of brown sugar, you don't have to. It's still going to be a little bit sweet and have that tasty chocolate and banana mixed in. However, I think this is going to make it taste extra delicious. Okay guys, so I am finished with the recipe. I put all the cookies, well, most of them, the ones I didn't give away to my family on my favorite plate, and it looks like they're delicious. I can't wait to try one for you guys. This was literally so simple, so easy. And the ingredients I added, other than the bananas, oatmeal, and chocolate chip, those are optional. Again, just to add that little bit extra sweetness, but you can doctor this to your liking, just like I did. Now let me dig in and see how good this is. Very good guys, and hopefully I don't have chocolate on my face because this chocolate is melty. The chocolate chips are just melty. It's ooey gooey. It's very delicious. It is a little bit of a different texture with that banana, but it's so good. It has just a mild banana flavor, very soft. It tastes like something that, you know, it took a really long time to make, and really it took no time at all. It's just those simple 3 ingredients. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe as much as I did, and this is a great alternative, a lot healthier than a regular chocolate chip cookie. And it kind of almost tastes like a banana bread cookie is how I would describe it. Very delicious. I love it. So again guys, thank you so much to any new subscribers, anyone who subscribed previously. I appreciate you guys more than you'll ever know. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. And please stay tuned if you'd like to see more simple, easy, quick, and delicious recipes, because that's what we're sticking with on this channel. I hope you enjoyed this one guys. I know I enjoyed it. And it was so simple. I was busy today. I'm definitely a busy mom most days. I'm very busy. So I was definitely under a time restraint myself today, and I got this recipe done in no time. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification button. And I will see you in the next cooking video. Bye.